Good morning. What's everybody doing? It's Veterans Day. Shout out to all the veterans. Appreciate what y'all do, what y'all did, and what y'all continue to do. God bless y'all. Every one of y'all. Okay, so we're going to be trading today the NASDAQ futures on Top Step. Okay, we're pretty much on a winning streak right now, dude. Like, we've been winning for the past couple weeks every day. We're waiting a while for our setups. We're waiting patiently, but we've been hitting them. I ain't had a losing day in I don't know how long, at least a couple weeks. So, but the most important thing is that we're sticking to our rules, sticking to the setup, and we're following through what we're supposed to do. That's the most important thing. Win or lose, or you sticking to your rules. You sticking to the guidelines that you've made for yourself. That's the most important. Okay, so first things first, we're going to delete everything we got here. Okay, previous day high, previous day low. So it's the daily candle, right here. Daily chart. So every candle is the whole day. That's what happened the whole day. Okay, so this is the previous day high. We already took this one out. We're looking for where's the next one up going this way that we didn't take out. That's the one we have not took out yet. Okay, because we're on this candle now. So now it's the previous day low here. We haven't took that out either. We're in this range here, so we're looking to see which one could we go to first. So that's that. So you can see there where we are. Also, this candle that we're on opened up here. So this is the opening price on the daily candle. Right here. Opening price on the daily candle. So that's what I have there. 4 hour. Now let's move to the 4 hour. We have a little gap there that we passed up. And we passed this big gap up. And we're kind of coming back to it. So we inverted it. Coming back to it, this 4 hour. And we'll see how it reacts. We'll see how we react right now. We also have this gap here. That's the 4 hour there. So kind of seeing what we were doing and what's going on there. Also, this is the 1 hour. So now we're on the 1 hour chart. Mark out fair value gaps that we see on the 1 hour. So this is a fair value gap that we see right off the bat right here. Mark that out. Another one we see is here. So that's one I see there. 1 hour. And anything that's kind of close or nearby. So this is kind of nearby. I'm gonna mark that out. 1 hour. And let's see if we got a range going on here. It's a big range here. Let's see. Fib from the top of this. Boom. Let's see. So from that top to the bottom. From the top right here to the bottom where we swung. Okay, so I want to see where we are in relation to that. Okay, we're at 0.62 level from there to there. So we're rejecting off that level. Okay, so that's a good level that we normally have rejections from on a range, 0.62. So we can see what happens here. Okay, but we're not gonna take that blindly. We're gonna make sure everything lines up. But we're just gonna leave that there. Now go to the 15-minute here. Let's see here. So we got one down here. 15-minute. $15-minute right there. Relatively equal lows, not exactly, but close. Equal lows right there. Liquidity at least. So somewhat equal highs, not really. Somewhat. Got some right there though. Somewhere right there. Okay. Another 15 up here. 15-minute for red gap there. Okay. Okay. And let's go. Mark this out. This is the midnight open right there. Midnight open. Okay. London low, London high. Still got London low. Still got London high up here, which is midnight open. Okay. What else we got? We got that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it right there. Okay. So 15-minute rejection right there. Looking good for lower. But we're about to open up. There's nothing to go off of. Just what it looks like. Equal lows right there. Should take out. And maybe come down here. Yeah. So too close to open for me. Anyways, this here. Okay. Anyway, let's go to the 15-minute on the ES. Let's go to the daily 4-hour. Okay, so we're in one right now. Let's see. Mark this out. Four-hour right there on them. See if we hold that or not. Got 30 minutes to 10 o'clock on that one. See what happens. Let's go to the 1 hour here. Got a big old 1 hour down here. Right there. Just like that. We got this one that we passed up. This gap that we passed up once. For inversion. Passed that one up. Came back to it. Dropped a little bit up to the next one. Now the 15-minute. See what we got going on here. Market's about to open now. So market's open now. I'm gonna finish this mark to 15 real quick. Boom. Right there. $15 right there. Okay. So that's where we are. And we got one. Right here. 15. Okay. That's what we got on ES. Okay. So now we're just gonna wait, sit back, wait, chill, relax. Don't tense up. Relax, breathe. Important. Breathing, just breathing. Something simple as breathing, Doug. And don't feel FOMO, which means just kind of chill out. I mean, let it happen. You're just waiting for something particular to happen. I don't know your model, but if it's anything like mine, you need to wait, and it might take a while. So, but when it comes, you strike, and it's usually a pretty good trade. Pretty good risk, pretty good reward, pretty decent. So, we're just gonna wait now. See what happens. Eight, 9, 10. Projecting that 5 minute. That's all we got to go off of right now is a 5 minute. 15 doesn't look too. Hold on. Oh crap. Let's see. Boom. yeah, 15 is kind of hard to read right now. We're just bouncing right now, so if anything, up on the, what's the 15-minute saying? But now we done invalidated this 15 here, or this 5-minute. We done passed through it twice. Now we got a 1 hour, still bouncing off of that. That's right in the breaker, so upside looks decent. So maybe we create a fair value gap going up, come down, do something, we'll see. But we got plenty of time. We're chilling. We're chilling. What's that today? Let's do it tomorrow. Shoot. Stay for me. Shit, but yeah, still 6, 6, 4, 4. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. I want to see this get passed up if we want to go lower. We're still in that 1 hour. 2. Yeah, I like the upside here. Just need to get some confirmation. Still holding this 15. Still holding the 1 hour as well. The gap. But it's 1 hour here. Still holding it, but seems like we'll go up because we're also inverted this big 4 hour. Now we're coming back to it. So I'm expecting like a push up. But I want to see something a little bit more structurally appealing that makes sense and lines up with everything else. So right now it's still downtrend right here. On the 15-minute, we're still going down pretty hard. So when you expect like a stop like this or something to stop, then you want to see a whole change. You mean like something to change. So this last down close candle to get passed up and close above, or a fair value gap to get passed up, closed above. We had this one get closed above, boom, but we just came right back down. So we still got London high up there too, so but something needs to show us it wants to do that beforehand. Like if it wants to go up, we won't miss anything. I mean, a lot of times it just does not just go straight up. It'll go up, create a fair value gap, come back into it, and then go up. So if it wants to come back into a fair value gap, I could do that because it's going to show us that it wants to go up. But we're not going to chase and try to get in at the bottom. We don't have to. I mean, that's a good thing. We don't have to. Because the 1 minute showing on con stuff, there's not even a fair value gap since we opened. So that's kind of like, if there's no fair value gap since we opened, that's like a sign to not mess with it right now. A good sign to not touch it. Because there's no gap, there's no expansion, there's no follow through. Doesn't mean if there is a fair value gap to get in either. It's just a sign of consolidation right now. So we're just kind of chilling right now, seeing what's happening. We're looking at the higher time frame most of all. I'm not really worried about the 1 minute. It's a lot of noise. I'm looking at the 5, looking at the 15. Really, I'm looking at the 15 in 1 hour. I want to see how it holds this. That's what I want to see. And if it wants to go up, I want to see it close above some stuff over here. And then create like a fair value gap going up. It's going to take a little while. It's probably going to take a while. But patience. So there's no fair value gaps. We just passed this one up here. This fair value gap that we see here, we passed it up. But then we passed it up going another way, which invalidates it. Cause it just yeah, it doesn't. But we're still holding this though. Okay, we're still holding this part right here. We came up, boom, we're here tilling, we came up, market structure still came back, or now we're coming back to it. Okay, does that mean anything? It's just something to look out for. Okay. got a sweep lower. Which the whole 15-minute we're going lower. So I'm not surprised. That's going with the trend. I'd like to see this get passed up here, this 15, if we want to go lower. And once it gets passed up, because we got equal lows down there. Once it gets passed up, I'd like to see it come back to it. And then I'll be looking to take a trade going down. Okay. So first of all, I want to see it get passed up. Okay, we're still holding it over here on ES. And we do have a SMT at the lows. But that's what I'm saying. I want to see this one get passed up. We can come back to it. And we don't just get in right when it comes back to it. We wait for a 1 minute market structure shift. Because if it wants to come up, go down here, and come back up, we're not going to blindly get in. If it comes down here, closes beneath it, comes back up, you don't blindly get in. You wait for a 1 minute turn. So if it wants to come down, close, come back up, and just keep going up, we don't have to get in. And we won't get in until it shows us it wants to turn. And that's when you want to get in. That's the first red gap we got right here on the 1 minute. That's the first one of the day. Right here. So, we got some liquidity here. SMT at the lows. We may want to come up now. We may want to come up now. But like I said, I don't know. I got to see something. Not just a 1 minute inversion. That wouldn't be enough for me. Because we're going down. You see this 15-minute, how we're just going down. You mean? I don't want to do that. Okay, this is the bottom. I don't want to do that. If you can learn how to be patient, you'll be a good trader. That's it. That's it. That's all you need to do is learn how to be patient. Once you're patient, you're a good trader. That's it. Once you're willing to wait, and you can wait, and you can watch stuff go, you can watch stuff leave, you can watch stuff go without you, then you'll be a good trader if you could do that. And wait for good setups, quality setups that line up, and everything looks good. If you could just wait for that, you'll be a good trader. That's it. Just learn patience, learn discipline, and then you can move from there. There's other attributes that you want to work on, but if you can be patient, you'll be good. Like right now, I could be like, okay, I'm FOMO. It might just go down and dump without me. I can't think that. I gotta think, is this my setup? No, I don't want to mess with it. That's it. Somebody else can get it if they want. I don't want to get nothing. I don't want to get that. I want to better get what my model says to get. Patience is all you need. If you can do patience, man, if you get willing to wait here all day and not trade, that's it. You'll be all right. And whatever your model you got, do that. You'll be good. Just learn patience. Patience is key to good trading. Patience, man. Patience. Willing to sit here all day and not take any trade. That's the best thing you could do. and on top of that, is stop looking at the 1 minute. If you trade on 1 minute, okay, that's cool. But look at the 5 and 15. Make sure it shows on there. Like right now, I could say, hey, well, it's showing. We're at a 15. It can go up. But it's also showing like you could be stuck in that. We're at a 15. We're going to bounce. Okay, you could see that. But you can also see that we're going down. The bounces are harder to predict. A bounce. I could easily predict this thing going through. I don't have to predict nothing. I could see it going through this fair value gap. And once it does that, then I could understand, okay, this thing wants to go lower because we're just past this up and we got some equal lows down there. So it's a target. So it's pretty simple. Once it passes something up, it's like it's showing us. It's showing us that. See that? That's a bounce. You gotta at this. We got 3 minutes left on this candle. We're gonna pass this up. It's looking strong to go up right now. Looking strong. Do I want to get in? Not yet. Not yet. Even though we are in a 15-minute and a 1 hour here. It's a 1 hour here still too. We got London highs up there too. It's just I'm not ready yet. I mean, just cause of this, it's not enough. Just a 1 minute is not enough for me. Cause the 15 minutes, we've been chilling here for a minute. We've been chilling here for 15 minutes. We've been chilling here for a while. So every little inversion, whatever, I don't want to mess with it. But could be a possibility. I just don't want to mess with it. But you can see overall we are bullish, pretty strong. So if I want to get in, it's got to be something where it makes a lot of sense. There's no gaps for me to go off of, work off of, but there is this CISD right here that I could see. Also, there's this one. Boom. So those right there getting taken out and coming back into that, maybe creating a fair value gap and coming back into it would be good. So being picky is super critical. You can't just take anything. I'd rather be picky. Thanks. Equal highs right there too on the 1 minute. We got some equal highs right here too on the 1 minute, so let's see, it's closed above this at minimum. At best, close above this too right now in the next 30 seconds, 35 seconds. See if we can close past this. 2, that'd be awesome. Let's see. Because then we'll be looking for a long to take up here to London high. 13 seconds left. We should be able to close past this. It's looking like. We're just going to see if we can close past that. So double confirmation going up. It's still confirmation if we close past this. Yeah, it wasn't a good close. It was not a good close at all. I don't like that at all. Okay. Because we're close to not even closing it. About a second off, it wouldn't have closed past up there. So we'll see. because this just lets us know we're not going like this anymore. We're not going down and down and down and down. This lets you know, boom, 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 because every time you go down, boom, you don't ever take that high out, ever. Or if you're going down, you're just going down. You never take that high out. But once you take that high out, now we're not going down as much as we were before. Once we take that high out, that last high. And if we did 2 of those, it's even double. And so we're just seeing what's going on here. I just want to see more confirmation. That's not enough for me right now. Good setups only. Every time I'm in a bad setup, right when I get into it, or when I used to get in bad setups, I'll just be like, man, I wish I can just get out of this thing. Because I know I shouldn't be in it. So it's like, just don't get in the first place, and I don't have to worry about trying to get out of it. Just wait for the good ones where I'm happy to be in it. Look like we may create this fair value gap here. If we do, we may get a return into it and bounce up. But to be honest, this is kind of choppy looking right here. You can just see all these 15s just kind of chilling here, and just, taking out lows, taking out highs, and not really going anywhere. Okay, 1 minute, boom, just like not really going anywhere. Taking out highs, taking out lows, but we finally got a fair value gap, 2 of them. So one going down, one going up. So we may go to the upside. I want to see if we can create a 5-minute fair value gap here and push up higher. Yeah, let's see. Got about a minute, 20 seconds left. See if we can create this fair value gap here on this 5-minute. If not, we're really looking choppy. If we cannot create this fair value gap here, we'll really be looking choppy. Came into this 1 minute BPR, so that means it's a fair value gap and a inversion fair value gap together. So they have that in common. We came into that. Okay, so it could show a good push up. We'll see. I want to wait for it to create this 5-minute fair value gap if we can, and then we come into it and see if we can find a long setup on the 1 minute. Let's see, man. It's about to be a small fair value gap if we keep going down like this. Yeah. Pretty small. Let's see. 3, 2, 1. Boom. So we got the gap we wanted right there. 5-minute fair value gap. See what happens. Still choppy. Came into the 5 minute now. Yeah, no. Chopping up. Let's see what happened then. Yeah, I wouldn't want to do that either, though, man. I'm saying this really don't look like I want to go up right now. We close, come up, 133. And then we got the 1 hour here. Boom. Dang. That's a good drop right there, dude. Good drop. Got them equal lows down there. See how that works. See if we close past this or not before we take the equal lows out and maybe come back to this and drop some more. Still got the equal low down there, so still got place to move. See how this 5 minute holds up. Be the first 5 minute of the day. See how it holds up real quick. Came into the sus black. Sus black Roni. Just came in there. See what happens. Okay. We would close past the 5 minute. Still holding. Just close the inversion here. Just close that inversion. Yeah, I want to see it past this 15 up. Let me know. We're going lower, and I'll look for like a short setup. I want to see a good close past it though in 30 seconds. We'll see. About 10 seconds left. Let's see if we close past this or not. A good close past would be good. Let's see. Nope. Okay. So no shorts at the moment. Not for me. No shorts right now. I don't like this stuff. I don't like it though, man. Okay, so we're going down towards equal lows. Nothing highly probable right now. Kind of just chilling. This is invalidated. Just waiting. Nothing clean yet. Nothing good yet. See what happens. Still consolidated. No fair gaps really on the 5 or 15. Just that one right here. The inversion that we came back to and dropped, but there wasn't anything to go off of. No inversion there to take if we wanted to go short. But we didn't go past the 15 yet, so probably wouldn't have took it. We're really holding this 15, dude. I mean, if we hold this thing again, dude, might be looking to the upside. I don't know. I don't know. I'm not really sure. We're just tapping to this 15 here, and it's 1 hour, so we could see a bounce. We'll see. Man, we're still holding it, man. I don't know. We're consolidating or we're about to go up. I mean, either we're consolidating or we're about to freaking shoot up right now. Something about to happen. It's not much to work with on this thing, dude. Fair rate gaps are few and far between. And there we go, going back down again. Right there. Yeah. Here we go. Still got equal lows down there, so. Gonna see what happens. Got 3 minutes on the 15-minute candle. See if we can close below it. That gap there. Let's see what else we got here, dude. That's just the breaker. Trying to see if we hold, what happens. But this 15 will let me know. Also 1 hour. Maybe if we can break it lower here. Let's see. About a minute left to see what we can do, see what it does. About a minute left. A minute left. Yeah, I believe we're about to take these lows out over here. Let's see. See if we get an entry here or something. Probably take this short real quick. Let's see. Yeah, I'll take this short. Let's see.
Order filled.
Okay, we're in the short. To stop there. Okay, we'll have to come back over here. See if we get 4, 5, 6. See what we get here. Like this for the short.
Order filled.
Okay, I'm going to get in on my other one too. My eval while I'm here. See if we can take this thing down. Let's see. I like it, so I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get in. I like it. We can come back up here. 566. So let's see. Let's see there. See what lows we got. That's the only low we got. 456. So we're at 543. Entry. Stop. Just want to see what we got going on here. See if we get some follow through here. I want this thing to follow through all the way down. Keep it going. Heck yeah, heck yeah. Let's keep this thing going. We did good. Was patient. It's about to pay off. See this good push down. All the way down. See this. See a push. Damn. Come up hard or not? Let's see. Stop 2552. All we're gonna do is manage our risk. See if we can get this push to here. Right here, we're gonna take off most of it. 489 here. See if we get it. Been choppy, but I think we should better get it. Let's see. It's kind of pushing though, man. I don't like it's kind of pushing up though. Still looks good though. Let's see if we get this.
Order filled.
I'm going to take some of it off right there. This makes most sense, man. I ain't about to play with this thing. Been choppy. Either wants to go or it don't. So we'll see what happens. See if we can hold the rest to these 4, 5, 4. I'm gonna hold the rest to like here, if we can. Stop at break even. A little bit in profit. 464, yeah. So we can get down there. Stop at break even. See if we get this push down here. It's kind of consolidating right now. That's what I don't like about it. So we should better go. Should better go lower. We'll see. See if we hold this fair value gap here. Coming to this 5-minute fair value gap here. I want to see us hold this. Yeah, let's see us hold this. We'll go down from here.
Order filled.
Okay, so we're still up pretty good. It's just when it was doing this right here at the end of this breaker, yeah, I was like, yeah, forget that. Take most of it off there, rest to break even. If it wanted to go, it's awesome. If it don't, then we're out. So we're up anyways, pretty good amount. So that was another win. That's another win for the day. The trade looked like, let's see. So it's pretty much, it'll tell me where we got in. Let me see where we got in. Okay, 543. Let's see. Here, stop was up there to begin with, and here it's like 1 to 3, but 1 to 3 somewhere on there. We got some of it off here, most of it off here, and then after that the rest got stopped at break even. So that's just how it is sometimes. And we're gonna be back tomorrow. Maybe not tomorrow, I don't know about tomorrow, but I want to thank y'all for watching, and I'll give y'all, and yeah, so we're up however many ticks that is, because right here we took off most of it. Around here we took off most of it. Actually, it was like kind of stalling. But that's it for the day. Another winning day. Just managing the risk, making sure everything's good. I want to give y'all thanks for watching, and I'll catch y'all next time. Y'all stay good. God bless. Talk to y'all later, man. Peace.